we took up today was the proposal for adopting the standard operating procedures in matters of using of beacons, flashers, sirens, tinted glasses, etc. in official vehicles. So in a nutshell, what that means is who can use a siren and who cannot use a siren, and also who can have tinted glasses, who can have flashers. All of those aspects were discussed, and there is a strong feeling among the cabinet that there needs to be a mechanism that would control and limit the use of such kind of sirens, one we can hear right now, in the entire process. That was number one. Basically, the tinted glasses will be only for official vehicles of Z plus and Z category protectees will be there, and obviously there's a committee which is headed by the principal secretary, and hence if there are any specific cases being mentioned there, only those will be allowed. For the siren, I'll just read out. The sirens can be used only by vehicles of police, emergency services, pilot and escort vehicles of VVIPs and VIPs. So that means that only the police vehicles, the pilot escorts of the VVIPs and VIPs can use the siren. So it is limited to police, emergency services, which obviously means ambulances and fire service and others. So these are the first. And as I said, there's a committee headed by the principal secretary. And if there are any other categories that need to be included, this committee headed by principal secretary will be authorized to then notify if any other individual or categories need to be included in this. But as of now, as I said, as per the notification that we are giving, only the police, only the pilot escorts of the VVIPs and VIPs will be allowed to use the siren. The lights and beacons, we have made it very clear that the red light and beacons are not going to be allowed by anybody, because that's the national law. Flashers that are there, which are being a substitute being used nowadays, again, it will be only by the specific notification of the Transport Department. So only those who are notified by Transport Department can use the flashers, but that again, as I said, it can only be done once the Transport Department notifies. That means even I have to, the Chief Minister's office also has to write, and only then the permission will be given. So the Transport Department will give the necessary permissions. Nameplates of vehicles. Again, the State Transport Department from time to time will notify the list of persons who are entitled to use the nameplates. We are very particular because randomly a lot of people have a lot of process of putting up nameplates which are done in a very random manner. Hence, this is something that we feel needs to be monitored and controlled, and therefore we will be having a system to monitor that. And again, as I said, Transport Department will only approve who can put up. So you cannot just randomly put up, nameplates or flashers as you wish. You have to take specific permission from it. So as of now, as I said, nobody is, as far as this notification is concerned, the State Transport Department will have to give that list of persons who will be allowed and those who want to put up, because we know that sometimes individuals from organizations also end up putting up. So those kind of things will not be allowed without the permission of the State Transport Department. The flag post and the use of national flag is as per the para 3.44 of the Flag Code of India 2002, and that's a long list of people that is SOPs will be followed as per that.